Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover your old Venmo account. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. If you lost access to your old Venmo account because you forgot your password, you may still be able to recover it as long as you have access to the email address or phone number linked to the account. First, open your browser and search for Venmo. Once the search results appear, open the official Venmo website and go to the login section. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password option and tap on it to begin the account recovery process. Next, enter the email address or phone number connected to your Venmo account. After entering your information, submit the request. Venmo will then send a verification link or security code to your email address or by SMS text message depending on the recovery method you selected. If you used your email address, open your email inbox and look for the message sent by Venmo. If you used your phone number, check your text messages for the verification code. Once you receive the code or recovery link, follow the instructions provided by Venmo. After verification is complete, you will be taken to a password reset page where you can create a new password for your Venmo account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember and keep secure. Once the new password is saved, you should be able to log back into your Venmo account normally. If you no longer have access to your email address or phone number, you may need to contact Venmo support directly for additional account recovery assistance. They may ask you to verify your identity before restoring account access. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.